Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today I'm going to take you on a little update. If you are new here, we have a little aquaponics thing going on, and so far we have scallion growing, and it has gotten to a point where we're able to share with our neighbors. So today we're just heading out real quick to pick up food for the fish. So the fish feed I know this. So the fish feeds the plants, and then the plants in turn feed the fish, something like that. But we still have to give the fish them a little bit more, right? So that's what we're heading out today. And overall, what we want to do, or what Mr. Edwards wants to do, is get us to a place where we can self-sustain. Yeah, so when food gets short, as we suspect that it might, when there is a food shortage, we'll be able to go in our backyard and pick out a little yam, pick ackee off of the tree and stuff like that. So that's what we're about today, and we will pick up once we get to the shopping.
What I think going to happen is, little from now, is people go have the money, one buy food and can't buy food. That's what I'm seeing going to happen, because person going to the supermarket, things going up sky high, things are not available. Yeah, it don't look pretty, and everything they blame on Russia and Ukraine war. Oh, Russia and Ukraine war, we can't get this stuff back. That don't make no sense. So,
well, you hear his theory. So we're working with that theory for now. So the aim is to be able to feed ourselves as best as possible from our backyard.
And then can, share with others as well.
And share the knowledge as well with others, so they too can grow in their own backyard. We're here. Fertilizer.
The compost.
Kill snails.
Soil condition compost.
Well, you can make your own compost, or I guess it's just quicker. If you really want to just get to it. $1,200. It's not look worth it. Because if we do it over time, it's gonna take a longer time. It feel light. It look like it feel lighter than what it looked like. Is compost that too?
No, for potting mix.
Oh. So you can use that, put your strawberry, when you move it or something like that?
Something like that. Pot inside it.
It looks so heavy and big.
Is not synthetic.
Most of that is synthetic?
Most of these plant foods are synthetic, they're not organic.
Okay. We already bought some online, and him start use it on him strawberry plant. So what he just said off camera was that we are looking at some fertilizers here, but we already bought some fertilizers online. But we are, what he said off camera was that we're looking to other things so we can build other systems. So we'll have, say, different plants using the different fertilizers, so we'll be able to judge to see, you know, what is working best, so that we way forward we'll be able to say, all right, we're sticking with this one. All right, so these are supposed to have microbes. What were microbes to do? What microbes do to the plants?
Break down other nutrients, like change it from, I don't remember exactly. Like,
so it's like what our body do with some protein, some vitamin. So your body have to have X vitamin for this vitamin be absorbed. So this is what this do, help those other things be absorbed in the soil, something like that. So that's this. And we already have some potting, some of these. And we have parsley and kale and stuff to start growing in them.
You get to see them like.
So you're gonna put the seed same way in these?
You put in this, the soil first, and then come out one of this side.
Yeah, no, yeah, you have one. You can try, but what we're gonna move it out. Well, for how about you gonna move it out in? As we're definitely going to be needing pots.
There's something about the lily there.
Oh, you want to pot the lilies? Okay. He is now using the potting soil we just bought and adding it to the seeding tray so that we can use it later to plant sweet potatoes, etc. In the meantime, let's go outside to see the progress of the aquaponics. So it got really crowded with the scallions. That's when we recently cut and shared what we had, and this was a really proud moment. Now back to the planting of the seedling and that experience. Time for the tomatoes. Sweet potato seeds.
Sweet potato seed, mercy.
It's what? It's sweet pepper seeds. They look like pepper. Thank you so much for watching that video. If there's anything in it that particularly interests you, comment down below. What do you think about our theory of the possible food shortage in the future. And don't forget to comment and share, and if you have not already subscribed, please do so. And until next time, see you in my next video.